哇，已经开始了吗 ？Stream 已经开始了吗？
当然了。
OK，good good。
好了，我们在 YouTube 上了。
OK。哇，已经开始了吗？
你能看到吗？能看到吗？
我不能看到，我只能看到我这个样子。
还有回音。
在 YouTube 上了。OK。
你能看到吗？能看到吗？
我不能看到，我只能看到我这个样子。
还有回音。好了，我把声音关掉了。
好的 ，OK。
欣赏音乐，平常心态。我把你作为 co-host 啊。
OK。
co-host 给你了。
好。
然后这个呢，我也会录像。上次录完像以后，有几个人上来听了。然后我们这个上次检查的是大概挺快的，我们这上升的，就是注册的人和都挺快的，超过50多，快60了吧？
哦。
对，我们每天都做宣传的，你以为呢？花不少时间精力呢。徐老师对得住我们的工作啊。
这个主要是要东西要好，又货真价实，这一点是非常重要。我们现在这是直播了，我们不要再讲废话了吧？啊，对吧？直播这个就不大好了啊。
没关系。行，反正 co-host 给你了，这个的人进来的话，你也可以摁。到时候会有一个介绍，简单的介绍，咱们就开始，还是按照老规矩啊。
OK。It's a star at 10 after 8.
8:10. Mostly we wait for 10 minutes. Okay, I come back soon.
Young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. 抖音。
今天为什么这么安静呢？即使真的没人来，我们也开始我们的作为一个视角。
Selected Search Kings as a Google Premier Partner, and they're Canadian. You want to stand out where your customers are online? Switch to Search Kings.
Okay. Let's start here because the time is over.
Okay, just 1 minute.
Okay.
So here we go. Welcome, 徐老师，谢谢你能来。Welcome, 徐老师 to this free seminar. Every Friday, Chelsea 98 going to have a financial investment seminar. It is free to everyone. Today we are going to do it in English. So Miss Xu has been the professor from the get the invitation from a few top universities in China, also Hong Kong University too. He's he's famous in the foreign exchange trading, and he's also the only one Chinese background with Chinese background in America. It's called Community Frame Hall. Is that right?
It's a fame hall.
Frame hall.
Fame is a noun for famous. Fame hall.
Frame.
F-A-M-E, yes.
That's right. And he has been in FX, and that means currency trading, around 30 years. Certainly, he has been traded stocks, commodity, and foreign exchange for quite a while. He's lucky to meet Larry William. That's also it's a very top trader in America. It's also he translated his books, his famous book about long-term secret for short-term trading. There's a lot of story from Mr. Xu. So I try to make my starting short. So I give the more time for Mr. Xu. Mr. Xu, please.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have me here. Okay. First thing I should talk something about why we trade Forex. Just because I have traded lots of kind of investment trading. Yeah, for example, stocks. Yeah, I'm maybe the first people in Shanghai traded the A shares and the B shares, and I traded lots of commodity, and I trade index, something like that. But I actually, at last, I found that the Forex is a much more safer than the other products, other kinds of products. You know why? Because the Forex is the volume is huge. It's almost 7 trillion in a day, $7 trillion in a day. So it's a huge volume, tremendous volume, and the Forex is a non-stop trading. It's from the Asia, from the Australia, Sydney, then Tokyo, Japan, but no in China. Yeah, maybe the China is the Hong Kong is instead of China, Hong Kong, then Singapore, then Europe, London, Frankfurt, Paris, something like that. Then North America, New York, Toronto. Yeah, and then maybe the west parts of the United States, San Francisco, Seattle, and something like that. So this is an unstopped trading. It's 24 hours and 7 days. It's not 7 days, because from the Monday, from the night of North America, then to today, Friday afternoon, 5 p.m. the trading is stopped. So no one can control that. So that means the Forex trading is no one can manipulate this. So it's quite different from the stock trading. Yeah, the stocks for some stocks we saw a lot of stocks from the 100 to 0. These things never happened in Forex trading. And sometimes we see some index trading. For some index, it's intraday trading is 20% up, 20% down. It's very normal. These things never happened in Forex trading, because foreign currency is a big developed country's currency. For example, we say that is a Five Eyes country. Yeah, United States, Britain, and British GBP, and euro, and Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and then New Zealand dollar. So this is a developed countries the currency. The currency is sometimes just go up and down, but they have a range. You know what I mean? A range. They just change the rate between the range. So that means the risk is a little bit lower because they never happened from top to bottom. They just in a range. So you can put some stops, and some stops very, very big, very large. So you don't need to stop every day. Yeah, you don't need to stop loss very often because the price will goes back. Yeah, if you don't stop, you will win. You will got money. So that's quite different from currency trading to other industry, financial industry, financial. Nothing is like currency. So that's why I choose the currency trading, for my whole life. Yeah, compared with the other kinds of industry. Yeah. But if you want to keep the equity, forex trading's equity curve going up, it's not easy. It's very, very difficult. Let's see.
This is the second question, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, you talk about the currency.
Very
Why you
smoothly.
trade currency instead of stock? Lots of people, there's much more people trade stocks, but the FX market is much bigger than the stock market.
Stop. We see that, the beer was story. You see the stock can drop 20% in a day. Yeah, so these things never happened in currency. Maybe in
1998.
In 10 years, we see just one time. Swiss franc dropped
really
very, very big. Yeah, these things is never. It's just like a black swan. It's not a normal thing. It's a black swan.
More stable, much more stable.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Black swans very, very few to see. So, but these things, up and down 20% is very normal in stock trading or index or other commodity trading. So
and
this is
and also the leverage is different, right?
Leverage is there. Yeah, it's no more than 50. Yeah, 50. Yeah, because that the new regulation. Yeah, ask the people never don't use the big leverage. You have to control your leverage. Yeah, this is a very important thing. I will talk to later.
And money management.
Yeah, so that's.
And you are going to talk about that in your courses too, right?
Yeah, this is a very important thing. This is a very important chapter in my courses, in my program. So I will talk. It's maybe for we have to focus on the management, money management. That's
that's right.
Extremely
important. Okay, so I'm not going to ask more questions. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So the success ratio of trading, is very low, but there's some traders are very successful. Let me see that. Yeah, this is the forex trading's World Cup Championship. Yeah, you see, in March 26th is the guys from Italy, Caro. He got it 852% return just within 3 months. But you see, today I just checked the website. This is March. This is March. The last month, the end of the last month. But this guy's from 80. It's almost 900. dropped to 600. Okay. But today, you see, this guy is from 600% dropped to 300. So stable, stable, you know what I mean? Stable is very important. Yeah, he got a 900% 2 weeks ago. But now he almost, minus the majority profits just within 2 weeks. It's terrible. So, last week I said, if this guy is stop trading in that time, he will be the first prize for sure. But now his records has dropped dramatically. So it's a very, very pity. It's a really pity. Okay, in 2006, the first place is just 18%. And then 2009, this guy's the first place just 44%. So it's not easy. Okay. So this is a zero-sum game. Sometimes it's a negative sum game. So that's why I said that if you want to be a stable winner, it's not easy. Yeah. The 5 years winner, just 1%. 10 years winner, only 0.1%. New trader, loss ratio are 99.9. That's some people just from the statistics, they got this data from some big company. Yeah, they got some big data. Yeah, large data. And the EA or I, that these days are very popular, some EA or AI. But EA or AI can't make money for a long time. For long term, just that they can't make money for long term. Maybe it shouldn't, it's okay. But for long term, we have no records to this kinds of computer robot trader. Okay. The institute trader also lost tons of money. Some big bank, some funds, they lost money. It's sometimes a huge money. It's not like or a small invest. It's very big. For example, the Royal Bank lost lots of money. Yeah, sometimes. So this is a very fair. This market is very fair and very how to say, it's very just. Yeah, it's comparatively speaking, this is a very fair and a very just market. Yeah, no one can control that. Okay. And the very famous saying goes, all roads lead to Rome, but you should remember, you must pick up the right road. It's not every road that can go to Rome. You must follow the right road. You must use the right way. You can't trade by your feeling, by your gut feeling. Some people, they just use their gut feeling to trade. Sometimes they can win money. Yeah, they can get some profits, but that thing is not long-term trader. If you trader, always use your gut feeling, you will be lost very, very badly. Yeah, system is a key to the success. You must use your system. The system is very suitable for yourself. That's no one can do the system for you. You should do yourself. Do by yourself. You choose the system by yourself. The time, your time and your character. And these things are very important. You have to use your character. Yeah, it depends on your character. Some people like short term. Some people like mid term. Some people you just use long term. Yeah, so the systems are quite different. And for some Western people, I suggest you have to learn some Eastern philosophy. That's very serviceable. Because you see that Bill Wang, why Bill Wang lost tons of money, bankruptcy, just because this guy is learned something is just if this guy is studying some Taoist, he should know when you can be stopped, when is you have to take a profit, when you should draw, you should leave the market, when you should stand by. So this guy just persistent, very, very stubborn. These things, this character and this method is very, very bad. Idea like a compass, this word as Abraham Lincoln says, if you don't think about the horse swims in front of you and stick to the compass, you are just going to stuck in the mud. This is a very, very, very good, very useful. Sometimes I suggest people do the long-term trading, but the long-term in trading or forex trading is not like this. Like a first picture, you see the long-term is like this. It's very even. Yeah, you just ride on the paved road. No, long-term is like something like a second picture. Yeah, sometimes you have to some the pitch. Sometimes you have to overcross some river, some lake, and it's a lots of barriers between you to go into the targets destination. It's not easy. It's not like the first picture. So I suggest the people do the long term, but I suggest the people when you have some profits, you should offset some. You take the profit first, then right into the market. Or sometimes you have to put some trailing stop. You know what I mean? Trailing stop. You just the trailing stop will follow the market. Then when the price goes up against it, you can take a profit first. Then you found another enter point to enter. That is this is a very good strategy for the long-term trading. Long-term is not to buy and hold, because this is not stock. This is not Warren Buffett's theory. You can't hold the leverage stock position. If you just keep that, you will be, when you got money, you will be lost the money because the market is against you. You can't against the trend. So that's very, very need some technical. So my course will teach you how to take a profit. I have a chapter. Yeah, we focus on the take the profit, and you can take some of the position, and you left some position. You still don't left to the market. You have this because the market didn't change and the big trends didn't change. You have to small light position there. You can't left totally position. Just take profit the sum of the position. So that's very, very difficult to handle that. Okay. And the character is very important. So I just suggest the people to taste your character. This is a very good book. The book, the author is Jason Williams. So he's my best friend. His father is Larry Williams. So the psychological and the characters is a critical key in the trading. So you have to taste your character. You can define your character. To know yourself, what kind of Important. And spiritual things is a very very complicated. Sometimes you have to use some idea or some feeling. Yeah, some people said that the Western country have no any thing. It's not like the Buddhism or Taoism. No, there are some things very same in Western country and in Western philosophy. Yeah, I will tell you something. Okay, in my course. So the trading is never stop learning and never stop summarizing. Summarizing is very important. Every week, for me, tomorrow, Saturday is the day I summarize the whole week's trading. So summarizer can get some lessons. That's very important. Okay. And this sentence is it's said by the Munger and Charlie Munger. So that saying is something like in Holy Bible, the God asks us to do right thing, not do the good thing. So sometimes you use the bad way to get money. It's not good. You have to use the right way to get money. And every trader for the forex trader, every trader got some bottleneck. Yeah, you have two in the platform, so you have to go through the bottleneck. That bottleneck, every people will meet that. So bottleneck is the problem, is the main problem for every trader. So you have to learn, have to study, have to learn from the other trader, have to learn some new idea, new theory, and the technical tools. That's very, very important. Okay, the key for forex trading is that I gave you 10 points. First thing is driven. You have to have some motivation to make money, to be a wealthy people. The second one's resilient. You have to be very flexible. I think it is definitely harmful for the people to be a stubborn people. If the people is a stubborn people, I ask him never touch the forex trading. You should be very flexible. Resilient is you must have to be a resilient people. And the third one is the confidence. Some people just lost some money. They will lost their confidence. That's not good. And decisive. That means you have to do things very quickly. And sometimes you just use your something like muscle memory. You have to do some things as very quickly. Sometimes the quickly is not good. Quick is not, faster is not good. But faster and no hesitate is much better than the hesitate. I from my point of view, from my perspective, I found that some people are very hesitant. Even they have a very good character, very patient. No, sometimes patient is good, but most of the time that decisive is good, because the market is sometimes very risky, very dangerous. So you have to do the things quickly. Yeah, very decisive. I think some faster trader, they always have these kinds of virtue. I think this is virtue. And the grit, the 5th one is grit. Grit is something be a very tough. Yeah, you should be a very tough. Never surrender. That's very important. Yeah, you should be persistent. Yeah, do something persistent. Okay. 6th one is visionary. You have to visionary. You have to be the people with a imagination, rich imagination. Sometimes you have to have a big picture. You can't focus on a tree. You should have a picture, big picture. You have to see some big forest, not only a tree. That's very important. That's why I ask people to, when you trade, you should take you should pay attention to the day charts, not 15 minutes charts. Okay. And passionate is something you have to do something with your enthusiasm. That's very important. If you have no enthusiasm, you can't persistent to do the forex trade. You will left when you lost the money. You will left to say bye bye to the forex trading. Okay, the last one is open mind. You should learn everything. It's not only trading. You should learn something outside of trading, especially philosophy. Yeah. Some bad thing always happen. That is chasing up and down. Yeah, most of people like to do the trader, chasing up, chasing down. That's very bad. You know, most of the people will chasing. Sometimes they can make money, but sometimes, most of the times, they will lost lots of money because they they chasing the trend, but they forget to stop loss. So I don't want the people to trade using this way. I think you should enter the market when the market is quiet. Yeah, you can enter that when the market goes up or goes down. You just predict the market. That's very important. Even the market is unpredictable, but we have to predict the direction. And the frequent stop, it's very bad, because if you do the trader always stop, you will lose money. Yeah. So sometimes the people say that you have to be a very disciplined people. You have to be a very disciplined trader. Discipline not equals to a frequent trader, frequent stopper. You know what I mean? Okay. The trading without a plan, that's very bad. So you have to have a plan. The plan should be A, B, C, sometimes D. Yeah, you have to several plans before into the market. And the force, the people can't control the emotion. The emotion is very bad. So that's why I don't want people to focus on the screen. If you always looking for the market, the price change, the changing, these kinds of change will influence your mood. Yeah, you will be sometimes very angry, sometimes frustrated, sometimes you are very happy. No, that's kinds of emotion. It's not good. No emotion into the trader. Okay. And the last one is a heavy position. The trading, you should remember that the light position is the key in the forex trading, because leverage trading. So the leverage trading, if you put the heavy position, sometimes you will got a big money, but most of the time you lost them, because people, when they then see the profits, they always take the profits into the pockets. When they see the loss, they can't stand for that. They always suffer from the losing, but when they see the smaller profit, they will take a profit as soon as possible. So that's a very, very bad thing. Okay. One thing you must remember that is in trading, you don't focus too much on the profit and the losses of your account funds, but on the trading process, just to do the process. If the process is right, you will got money. as long as you do the every trading detail well, making money is a matter of natureness. Yeah, the money will it's very nature. You will get money. Yeah, you do the right thing. The right process is very important. Don't focus on some petting, small money. Some people, they just focus on $1, $2, $10. You cannot do that. This is very bad. Yeah, you should do the right thing. You should focus on the bigger money. If your strategies are good, you can take the big money. It's not just 10 small tips. Don't focus on tips. You should take some big
right thing.
Yeah,
right method.
Big money. Yeah, this is very important. Some people, they just want, they were very care of the interests or some pips. No, don't need to do that. You just focus on the big money. Okay. And the education and the trading are very it's necessary. Yeah, because if you didn't learn how to drive, how to fly a plane, you can fly the plane. Yeah, if you're sitting on this position, you know the disaster will be very it's a very for sure. And sometimes you have to, if you have any experience or you have knowledge to do a operation, you do this surgery for the patient. If you do this job, have you know any knowledge and experience, you will kill the patient. So it's the same thing in the forex trading. You have to learn. You have to trade. For example, yeah, we got some tools for this is a very good signal. That signal is created by myself. Yeah, you have to use some good and useful signal. This is the one. And here's my program. Okay. Yeah, during North American time, because we are in North American. You know, the North American market is very special because North America is the last market. So the first one is Asia, then the Europe, then the last one is North America. So it's very special. It's not like the Europe one, not like the Asia one. Okay, that's very special. I will tell you how to trade it in North American time. Time zone is very important. You can't get up in the midnight. Yeah, if you do that, you will destroy your health. Okay. The second one is follow the trainer. How to find the market as trainer. That's very important. We always said that trainers are my friends, but what is a trainer? No one will tell you how to figure out what is a trader. I will tell you, because I will tell you something is it's not from your view, from your guess, from your feeling. Something is we do that is some just on quantum, okay, from the statistics, from mathematics. So that's science. It's not something like arts, okay. The third one is dialects of the interorders. You know, sometimes we do the trade top to down. Sometimes we do the trade bottom to up. So it's very complicated. What kind of indicator can refer to? Yeah, some people, they just use the very old one. And some people just trade the forex using the MT4. You know, in MT4 we got maybe 20, almost 20 or 30. I don't remember. It's almost 20 index. It's not enough. It's not enough. And some new date and some new tools, some new technology, you have to refer to that. You have to use the new one. I will tell you which one is the best one, because someone is very, it's very slow. We have to use the fast, four-tail leading index. You know what I mean? You cannot use some very slow one, just like if you use the how to say MACD. Yeah, you know the MACD is very slow. You cannot use that. Okay. 5, 2 index and the 10 commandment. I create 2 index and the 10 commandment. Commandment is from Christian religions one, but my commandment 10 commandment it's not like that. But every trader should remember that. You have to remember that. Okay, I will teach you in my course. Okay. 6, light position, I just said, and stop loss. 7, how to take profits. Yeah. 8, how to use the fundamental news. Fundamental is also very important, but how to use that is very crucial. Okay. 9, the money management. The last one is very important, and a compound interest. Sometimes you have to, like a snowball, to run to increase your profit. That's very, very important. Okay, here's my information. You can check on website. I have something. Yeah, Actually, I'm an older trader, not the best trader, older trader. Yeah. Here's my email and cell phone. Okay. Here's the code for the people. Yeah, you can scan that and into the. Okay. Today we have any audience, other audience. So no question. So maybe we can.
I have a few questions.
Okay.
So I saw the picture. So regarding the indicator, it's a few. I think 3 or 4. The arrow goes up about the chart.
Yeah.
Okay. So is that made? That's right. So 4 up arrow. So this is from your. Using your
this indicates the name is Xu, XU. It's my name. Yeah, this
so
is
it's
Xu.
you created.
Yeah, it's from my idea, and I asked some people to program it. Yeah, so I'm not a computer guy. So I spend lots of money to ask people to make it.
I see. This is 4 years, 9 years.
It's more than 10 years. This is very, yeah, this is, and this is this make your job easier. When the indicator shows that you can focus on trader. You don't need to always stay on screen.
Be alarmed,
Your energy, save your time. Yeah, you can do other things. If there are no any arrow, no signal, you just do other things. You can reading, listening music, and do exercise, work out outside of
relaxing, huh?
Yeah, outside of the outdoor. That's so
I see. So this is the software it's included in the
included my courses, right? Yeah.
It's included in the tuition.
Sometimes these things are not cheap, but I can give you, and I will set it for you.
I see. So the tuition is going to be 5,000.
Yeah.
Is that right? 5,000 Canadian dollar.
Yeah.
Okay. So I heard you have kept the price the same for 20 years.
Yes. This is a very special season, for the epidemic.
COVID-19.
Yeah. So this is okay. This is very good for the trader. Yeah. You can go out.
Oh,
yeah, you can learn the trading and do trading. You make money in home.
At home, anywhere,
just use the internet. Yeah, that's very good. Epidemic is very good. it's a very, very good chance, opportunity to learn how to trader.
I see. Okay, so when you trade, you rely on these two software too, right?
This is one of my index. Actually, I have 7 index.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean? If the market shows 4 index, you can buy 4. You can do that. Yeah, the majority index shows buy. You can buy. The majority index shows sell. You can sell. And sometimes. So,
And this software developed more than 10 years, and you are selling for. If selling the software, this going to be $3,000.
Yes, yeah, I said 10 years ago in Las Vegas, $10,000.
Oh, I see. And now it's $3,000. It's also included in the tuition.
Yes.
5,000.
Yes.
I see. What else included in the $5,000?
I coach the people, coach the students for half a year, 6 months.
Half year.
Yeah, that's this is
Three parts, right? 3 parts. One is 15 hours.
No. After the course and the training, and I will coach the people for 6 months.
Yeah,
maybe
I heard it's three parts.
WeChat. We
That's
can
right.
buy or other something. I can tell you how to use my strategy. Yeah. So that's
how to use your strategy, how to use your software.
Yeah, just
to make a wise decision.
People be a winner, be a prophetess.
I see.
So that's very important. This is very unique. Yeah, the other people, the other teacher or other, some guru, they just teach the course. They never care you make or not make money. I care. I teach you how to follow my strategies. I use 6 months to coach you.
And also, you said half of the tuition will go to build up account. And this account in 6 months, when you're going to answer the students' questions and teach them, and you give them money.
Be an example and model and teach the people. Yeah, if you teach the people, you're not just like a book, just use book and some charts. You use your account. It's a real account. It's real money. Real trader, and teach the people how to trade. Then if we got money in 6 months, we got money, we take out 20% and give back to the students. Maybe it's not very big amount, but that's sometimes it's kind of a bonus.
That's right. Okay, so I can see today's seminar is a little bit different from last time. You give more information regarding the courses outline, the content. It's 9 chapters regarding the courses you are teaching. So this 9 chapters is regarding 15 hours. Is in that 15 hours, right?
Yes.
I see.
Yes.
So after that 15 hours, you are going to give another 3 days for people to.
Yeah. Yes. Another 3 days for real training.
Face to face.
Yeah. That's not. I like to face to face, but now the situation don't allow to the people get together.
Remote is fine.
So I think it's the same. If we use the online course, online, for example, the meeting in Zoom, it's the same. It's the same.
Right.
Yeah.
I see. And then another together 6 months.
Yeah, 6 months.
Frequently ask a question after they installed the software you designed, and so they can completely and fully master the skills how to take advantage
yes,
of your
I'm sure the people, if they follow me for more than 6 months, if they lost money, they must have done some very big mistake. They are not obey to my rules. They didn't docile to my rules. If they make money, they must have some reason. Something is cause him or her to lose money. That's for sure. If you follow my strategy, you never lose the money. You should never lose the money.
I see. Okay, that's not easy. I think that software and your method is included in your 30 years experience.
Yeah, we got some people here.
Oh.
Wow, yeah, these people are, we almost
done.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So
so welcome.
Too late. It's too late. We almost finished our
You're a little late,
webinar.
But we're almost done.
Almost done.
Short one. Hope you like it. If you have any question, you can just give some message or just ask him directly. Okay, so interesting. So about the outline, about the content, about the courses. So you listed 9. It's different from last seminar. Could you give a little bit of comments on that 9 chapters, please?
I always changed my PPT PowerPoint. Maybe next time I will change it, continuously, because I always contribute my new idea to my course. I was changed. Sometimes we can say that is upgrade my thoughts. Yeah, you have to change. The only thing not change is change. Change is always, I always emphasize the people to change your opinion, change your position, change your view. Yeah.
I see. Some of the details you are going to optimize. Yeah, you're going to optimize it, improve it, but the core won't change much, right?
The basic thing, fundamental things, I never changed.
Yeah, the foreign exchange, the big difference from the stock is it is not the company's behavior. It's a country, it's national behavior. So it should be more stable.
Yes, they have some rules to follow. It's not like stocks. Yeah, it's a technical analysis is very useful in this area.
I see. Okay. So I finished my question. So maybe Miss Her, I don't know he's a lady or is a gentleman. If you have any question, you can ask Xu. Since you are a little late, you may have some question or investment. No voice. I have the voice. I don't know. Okay, you can talk. Maybe you could open the audio or speaker. Give a try.
Maybe I strongly suggest Mr. Ho to either or WeChat group into the WeChat group.
Give the QR code.
Yeah, because I feel very, very hot. Yeah, I got lights here. It's just like a sunshine. It's very hot.
他是说可以讲中文吗
？OK， 呀，可以啊，但是你录音就不要录了，录了以后放出去，人家又听不懂。
我这里就开始关掉了吧？
关掉，你关掉了就可以了，你说没关系。 我把灯关掉，太热了。
好，我已经关掉了，然后我那个也关掉算了。